So this is the color triangle, and you can also mix like other colors. So for instance, we see here just a little bit of blue, lots of yellow, and one blue, 3 yellow, and then some black, and most black, and so on. So all of these crossings are other colors. So this is more yellow than red, and even more yellow, but a little bit red. Then we have a little bit black, and more black. So you can just go ahead and, you know, add all of these colors and you know, continue here, red and blue, more blue, and a little bit black, and each crossing here is a unique color. And I missed this, I should continue here also, a little bit blue, but mostly red. And try to activate everything, all color here. And that depends on the paper. I think this paper is too much texture, it should be smoother. And here also. And this is, you know, simple way to just continue mixing all the colors. We can complete the single yellow one here, more blue, and it's a super easy way to mix all of these colors and, you know, have it in a system, because if you're painting a color wheel, that it should be more blue there probably, I don't know. You know, you need to look with your eye to do all of these mixings, but here you have a simple system to get all the colors in correct proportions, and from white to black, and you know, you don't even need white and black. You could have like just some yellow and more yellow and more blue and more red if you like, but I personally would like to see the bright colors and the dark colors. So yeah, so you can just go ahead and continue and, you know, activate each crossing here. And that's the, let me write it down, the color triangle by me, Carl Emmott, 2023. Pop, pop. There you go.